China's first 1,000 square meter Xianyu flagship store just opened in Futian, and I'm here to check in. Let me take you on a super fast 2-minute tour. Over 1,000 square meters, zones super clear. Phones, figures, laptops, plush toy, maternity, all sorted, all one. Consignment, limited recycling, donation zone. Just bring your items to the store and staff will check it right here. AI will price in 48 hours and you confirm on your phone, then it goes live. We got AI that prices smart, hours evaluate, sells online and offline to 600 million users. It's also fair both ways. First month, high price for sellers. Second month, discounts for buyers. Here you can get a free expert quote for your luxury items, work up with cash in hand on the spot, fast, safe, and hassle-free.
大的一个着力点会在服务这一块，我们怎么能帮到我们的客户去做到绿色循环这个概念，把他们的闲置变现，然后也能帮他们，比如说鉴定啊、回收啊、寄卖这些服务给到他们。
It's not just shopping, it's playtime. You can dig for golden coin with mini excavator in the sand and also try an epic PP gun battle experience here. Try and cosplay outfits and snap pics. Do some Shenzhen style 3D printing. Get hype with our 3D printers, you can take it home. Wish lists are everywhere. Write down your dream price and items. Next time, you can come back for surprises.
能更加直观看到情况吗？
Secondhand isn't settling. It's a smarter way to live. Here, you can sell off your unused stuff and hunt treasures you love. Come City Park and visit this new landmark that Shenzhen young people are based with.